In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email folder in Outlook. If your inbox is starting to feel crowded or difficult to manage, creating folders is one of the easiest ways to stay organized. It helps you separate different types of messages, keep important emails together, and make your inbox much easier to navigate. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a new folder in Outlook, and then move emails into it. To get started, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're on the main email screen. Once Outlook is open, look for the Mail section and click on it if you are not already there. This is where you can see your inbox and the list of folders connected to your email account. Now, in the folder panel, find your email account. Next to it, you should see a three-dot menu. Click on those three dots to open more options. This menu gives you additional actions you can use to manage your mailbox, including the option to create folders. From that menu, click Create New Folder. As soon as you do that, Outlook will give you a field where you can type the name of your new folder. Choose a name that clearly matches the type of emails you want to store there. For example, you might create a folder for work, receipts, projects, or personal messages. Using clear folder names can save you time later when you need to find something quickly. After entering the folder name, confirm it so the folder is created. You should now see your new folder appear in the folder list under your email account. Once the folder has been created, you can start organizing your messages right away. To do that, simply drag and drop your emails into the new folder. Click on an email, hold it, and move it over to the folder you just made, then release it. Outlook will place that email into the folder for you. You can repeat the same process for any other emails you want to sort. This is a simple but very effective way to keep your Outlook mailbox neat and easy to manage. If you create folders for the kinds of messages you receive most often, checking email becomes much faster and less stressful. That's all you need to do to create an email folder in Outlook and start moving your emails into it.